Hello student, today I am continuing our topic chapter 1, that is integer, and as I already discussed with you question number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 in our previous video, and today I am going to start exercise 1.1 and question number 6. Today I am going to start question number 6 of exercise 1.1. If I draw here, then this is our north direction, this will be our east direction, this will be west, and this will be south. So these are the direction you should know about all four directions: north, east, south and west. As you can see here, Rita goes 20 kilometer toward east. Rita goes 20 kilometer toward east. It means Rita is going in this direction toward east. And how much distance she covers? She covers 20 kilometer. And as you can see here, she moves 30 kilometer toward the west. As you can see here, west is the opposite to the east. So she moves from point B 30 kilometer toward west. Here is the solution. As you can see here, look at here the solution. Distance traveled toward east from point A will be represented by positive, as I am moving toward east direction. So as I already told you about the integers, how you will represent integer in positive direction, or in left side integer will be negative. So as you can see that she is moving toward east, so 20 will be plus 20 kilometer. And distance traveled toward the west from the point B, it means I am moving opposite to the east. I am moving opposite to the east toward where? So I will represent this 30 by negative sign, with negative sign. You can see here point B will be represented by negative integer, that is minus of 30 kilometer. So final position of Rita from A will be 20 kilometer minus 30 kilometer, that will be equal to minus of 10 kilometer. After subtracting these value, you will get minus 10 degree Celsius. This is the final position of Rita from A. You will subtract 20 and this 30. So you will get 10 minus 10. Why minus 10? Because our negative number is greater. Our greater number has negative sign. So in answer you will also get a negative sign, that is minus 10. Hence the required position of Rita will be presented by a negative number, that is minus 10. So this is the required position of Rita, that is represented by a negative integer, that is minus 10.